everybody, this is Casper, but my YouTube channel is Lego 2007. I hope you subscribe me below, so when you do like this, I don't care. So this game is gonna be about making your own restaurant. So when do you want to make it? First you have to so there 5, 6, 7, 8 or 8 countries you pick, and you pick a restaurant. They're like 4 different restaurants. You pick one. So I started ago. So my one was like about family. So everyone was here. So I walked on the table. Everyone was happy. So when you press 1, you can build. 2, you make a food or something. 3, you can upgrade restaurant, and 4, you have workers. So my one is like this. So 2 chefs and 4 waiters. Oh, I forgot your name. So go to the shop, buy something. Going to buy. So I'm gonna put this 20, but I have 80, so no. So I put this 2, go back to my house. 2. Exit and then go in. I'm finished. So the more, so I've got like 1993 cash. So anyway, this is part 1. Playing the game. What you want to make your own restaurant. When there'll be a lot of people, you have to build. But I build like 4 people will be in a family again. 4 people in a family, 1 alone boy or man or something. Oh, there will be a lot of people coming. So press 5, go in the shop. So I will make take a wood or something like this, and I will take white chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. So I have to go back. So blocks. So build. This is very giant. So I'll put that here. This is for 1 woman. So I need 1 chair. So this is for rich people to sit. So when I finish, there's £7. So I take that money. So I have 2. So I need 2 more seats to buy. So somehow, so when you want to save, so press 3. When you see save game, so press on it, and it's saved. So that's thing. So when you want to come play this game every day, so you can make your own one, like that. So You don't have to pull, you can press 5 and like that. And so I bought, yeah, bought, no, I think I bought 2 red chairs, so it costs 15. So when I'm finished, so I come back here when I'm finished. Beer. So I have to build here. One chair here. So press R, you have to press R, you want to sit here. So one more, but don't want to put here, so I put that one here. So that. Oh, I've got like 1 more minute, and that's the thing ever. So I have like 10 more, 20 seconds, 25 seconds. So I have to hurry up, but it's part 1 still. So I have like 28. So I'll go. I need 100 this time. Guess what I will buy? Drums, please. What did he get? It's a music. Dun, 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 dun. And so when I'm finishing eating, oh yeah, this is the rich people, but who cares? They're not rich. You can stand on them. These 2 are the cookers, so my job is going good anyway. So I want a burger. So there's 4 people. Don't worry, this is still okay. Like, you wanna build, so you wanna go? Wait for 100. So you might buy something good. Upstairs, like music, like that. So I went for like 1 minute. 1 minute. This is like 20 seconds now. So no one's there. Oh, 33, 34 I mean. So when you press 5, you're in the shop. Now I go upstairs. There's a bin. So I don't want to buy a bin or welcome. I would buy a welcome, but something else I have. So this is the thing I got on my own. So 1, 2, 3. So I take this. So 1. So when I'm finished, so I can take. Maybe no, I don't have enough money. This costs 100, so I have to go back down, get more money, and to buy this. So I think did you enjoy this film YouTube channel? You don't subscribe, I don't care now. So bye. This is part 1. Tomorrow's part 2. So see ya. See ya, baby.